Want to get the flock look without breaking the bank? Well, stay with me and I will show you how I convert this tree from grain to flock. If you want to see more, keep watching. Okay guys, so I will be flocking my tree and I ordered this powder through Amazon. It's called SnoFlock. So I have not even opened the box as yet, so I will be opening the box right now and tear it out and see what we have here. I can't wait to get this tree flocked. Okay, so this is the flocking powder from the brand SnoFlock, and I read the reviews and it seems like this is the best they have up there, so we're gonna try it out and see how we're going to get this baby here set up. So what you're gonna need is you need a spray bottle, a sifter, a sieve. I call it sieve. I'm gonna fill this up with water right now. Okay, so we have our water right now, so I'm gonna take this outside because I really don't want the dust soak inside here right now, so let me take this outside. Okay, so I'm gonna read the instructions, and it says preparation. To apply SnoFlock, you will need a spray bottle with water and a fine mesh kitchen strainer. Okay, they call it strainer, we call it sift. Second step is to mist. SnoFlock's adhesive is activated by water. To ensure proper adhesion, mist your item generously with water before you proceed to the next step. If your item is pre-lit, make sure the lights are rated for indoor-outdoor use. Well, I hope mine are for both. Okay. Shake and spray. In this step, you now begin to apply the SnoFlock with a kitchen sifter, half full of flock in one hand and your spray bottle in the other. Seal. Just as in step 2, mix your entire project with water. This will help seal SnoFlock and create a hardened shell over the flock itself. This is 2 pounds. Let me see if 2 pounds is enough to do this tree. Turn this baby into a flock tree. Guys, you see what is happening here? I am sifting the powder, yet I am not spraying the water. That is a no-no. Make sure while you are throwing the powder, you are spraying the water at the same time to ensure that it sticks. I had a little issue after because I didn't do that, and now when I'm moving the tree now, some of the powder is falling off. So make sure you sift and you spray at the same time. Wow, look at that, guys. I have a flock tree. I need to go and do underneath, but so far I'm liking what I'm seeing. Okay, this is how much I have left. So I got like a little below half, but because I am going heavy on it, so all right, let's continue. this is the end result. So we are finished with flocking the tree and the garland. So there is the tree. We're gonna make her catch herself. There she is. I love it, guys. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Camera don't do it justice. It's beautiful. Here is the garland that I also flocked. So, the garland. I got a whole garland. I don't know how long this is. It's probably about maybe 6 or 7 feet. Guys, so I will check back in with you guys tomorrow and we will see if you check. See, look, nothing falling. Look, it's thick. See, I just want to settle. One thing I must settle, you cannot do this inside your house. Look at all that fell. So look all of that. You can't do this in your house. Never. I love it, guys. And this is the garland. Look at that, guys. So I got me a garland and a tree. Alright, so let me clean up now and I'll come back when we're inside. So guys, she's inside now, and as you can see, look on the floor. This is all that fell off. That there. This is coming in. No, nothing. Nothing. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is, I'm in love. I gotta fluff her out a little bit more, fix her up nice, but this is nice. This is nice, guys. I will leave all the information down in the description box. So if you want to buy this, guys, it's on Amazon. And I think I paid 24 or 26, I'm not sure, but that's it. And I got a full tree and my garland. You know how much money I save here?